Morning Standard 8 students. You know that we are in chapter 3, that is nouns. In my last video, I have given you some exercise to do from this chapter, that is nouns. Today in this video, I am going to give you more exercises to do. So let's start. Now you can see question number F. In my last video, I have given you up to the question number E, and it is from page 29. You can see in the F what is the question. Use the correct words from the brackets to fill in the blanks. You can see in the bracket two words are given and you have to choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Now see the question number 1. His house is in complete dash, shamble and shambles. So the correct word is shamble. So I have written the correct word for you, and the rest of the questions you will do by your own. Our team made a good score in the second dash. You see the two words are given, innings, inning. So which will be the correct word? You have to use that word to fill in the blanks. Now you see question number 3. May I borrow your dash scissors scissor. Question number 4. She picked up all her dash and moved towards the train. That is the luggage's luggage. Now come to the next question. G. Supply suitable possessives. 1. The book of the pupils. I have written the answer for you, the pupils book. You see one thing you remember, that if S is at the end of the word, then you have to put the apostrophe after the S. And if there will be no S, then you have to put the apostrophe, then you have to give S. Already I have discussed in my last video. Now see the question number 2. The player of the teams. So you have to write the possessive of this sentence. Question number 3. The feathers of the peacocks. You have to write the possessive of this sentence. Question number 4. The tutorial class of the boys. You have to write the possessive of this sentence. Question number 5. The name of Indian soldier. So you have to write the possessive form. Question number 6. The mother of Pritham. You have to write the possessive. So in the G, you have to write the suitable possessives. Now go to the next question. H. Pick the right option to identify the current kind of the highlighted noun. You see in the each sentence the one word is highlighted and you have to write down, choose the correct option, that what kind of noun it is. You see the question number 1. The Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan. A. Proper noun. B. Common noun. C. Abstract noun. And D. Material noun. You see that I have done the first one for you. The Shahjahan is the proper noun. So I have given the tick mark beside the proper noun. Now you see the question number 2. This you will do by your own. A city presents the culture of its people. So here the people, it is given 4 options are given: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. You have to choose the correct option. Question number 3. Life teaches us many lessons. Again here you see the 4 options are given: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun and collective noun, and lessons has been highlighted. So you have to write the which kind of noun it is. Now question number 4. Gold is the precious metal. Again 4 options are given for you: common noun, abstract noun, material noun and proper noun. You have to write the gold which kind of noun it is. Now you can see question number 5. Australia has many beautiful beaches. Here also you can see the 4 options are given: proper noun, common noun, material noun and collective noun. So here you have to choose the correct option. Now go to the question number I. Tick the right option for the colored words. You see, in each and every sentence there is one colored word is there, and you have to write down according to the question. Number 1. Abstract noun of hateful is hated, hatred, hating, or hate. Which one will be the abstract noun of hateful? The answer will be hate. Here you see, I have ticked the correct option. Hate is the abstract noun of hateful. Now 2. Abstract noun of beautiful is. So 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct option. Beautify, beautyless, beauty, beautification. Now go to the third question. Common noun for Pacific, Indian and Arctic is. It is ocean, village, river, lake. You have to choose the correct option. Now go to the question number 4. Common noun for Jaipur, Gurgaon, Agra is a country, village, city, state. So you have to choose the correct option. Question number 5. The last question. Abstract noun of criminal is crime, criming, criminal, criminalize. So you have to choose the correct option from the 4.
Ready.
So dear students, today in this video I have given you some exercise to do. Those who are having book, you will do in the book, and those who are not having the book, you will do in your English grammar classwork copy. Stay with me for the next video where we will learn more about grammar. Thank you.